the value, what should we do with it? Now we are inviting all the handsome and good-looking and leadership people here. They are payment solution, payment platform, and payment device people. I'm so happy to hear to talk about this first question. Before we go with the question, let's go around and introduce ourselves.
Hi, my name is Danny Kim. I'm CSO of the FugeX project. The FugeX actually is providing the most convenient cryptocurrency payment solution. Actually, by using a FugeX card, you can make the cryptocurrency transaction at any retail stores without changing any infrastructure whatsoever. Thank you.
안녕하세요. Hey guys, I'm Bobby Bao, co-founder and managing director of Monaco. So we are a cryptocurrency wallet and Visa card. So we provide the user the access to cryptocurrency with full compliance. So user on our platform can buy, sell, exchange cryptocurrency, and you can use Monaco Visa card to spend your currency anywhere Visa accepted.
Hi guys, I'm Jake, co-founder and CEO of Rate3, which I just shared earlier. So Rate3 focuses a little bit different from payments. We are on settlements and liquidity, and also for credit. And means for businesses that requires both settlement needs and credit needs for loans.
Hey everyone, my name is Sten. I'm co-founder and chairman of Adara, a securities and utilities exchange. We have a centralized and a decentralized part. Everything is fueled by community-driven content generation, and we have a heavy focus on data analysis and algorithmic trading. We've looked at finding settlement and payment solutions specifically because we think that an exchange of value between users on an exchange or in the real world and using it as a payment is very similar. So there's a lot of similarities, I think, even though we are an exchange or a payment solution.
Hello, I'm Kevin Jangbobby. We are making the cold wallet hardware type of cryptocurrency wallet service providers, and we are making the first Korean company, I think, to make based on the security element chipset, making hardware wallet. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sten. I'm CEO and founder of PayX Foundation in Singapore and Korea. We do provide coin-based and crypto-based payment processing service. We take all the coins from our partners, then we liquidate the coins in fiat currency as a cash, then we deliver the cash to our merchant. And not like a project, we are focusing on liquidating and delivering the cash directly to our merchant. We do not rely on legacy payment processing service. We do provide our own payment processing service. Thank you.
All right, thank you everyone. So let's start our talking. So today we're going to talk about the payments, most of all. So before we go into our three major questions, is really payment possible with a cryptocurrency? Anybody?
Yes or no. Actually, it's very hard to make a direct transaction with the cryptocurrency itself. I think this is kind of very early stage. So we do definitely need some kind of a medium body to make an exchange from the crypto to fiat, so that actually the merchant side, whoever takes the money, have like a feel of the security, right? But that's because of the volatility of the cryptocurrency itself.
All right, anybody else?
So I think for crypto to be accepted or widely used, I think the recent trend for the last 2 quarters was stablecoin, right? We look at examples of Basis, Circle, Kettle. These are the dollar-backed stablecoin. For every, for it to be actually widely adopted, the mechanism on how would you make a token stable is really important. And we are looking at, I think one of the very successful cases, in my opinion, is a DAI, right? MakerDAO's DAI. Yeah. So for payments, if we want crypto to be widely adopted, accepted the same as fiat, there needs to be a really wonderful and mechanism behind how would you control how volatile tokens are. And second is business adoption, right? How would you, once you solve the volatile issue, how would you convince businesses to actually take this in, right? Because at the end of the day, fiat is more safe in everybody's eye. I think that's the key issue.
Thank you.
So I think it's highly possible with Monaco app and Visa card. For example, within our app, we provide users 7 different fiat currency and 4 cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin, Ether, our own coin, MCO, and Binance coin, BNB. And we were adding more cryptocurrency around the world onto our wallet. And the user can convert cryptocurrency into fiat currency as long as they want at perfect interbank change rate. And they can use Monaco Visa metal card anywhere around the world. That's for B2C, our payment solution.
I think the perception is now changed, quite rapidly. Back in about a year or 2 years ago, the people now realize about the cryptocurrencies around. Now people are accepting cryptocurrencies as a kind of payment. And the other thing is the security. Security matter is very important, and I think the device level is now client level of cryptocurrency is now much more secure in terms of providing wallet or some other applications. This is now, I think the people now understand the acceptance of the payment as cryptocurrency is much more viable.
I think if I take a combination of what I've heard is security, the need for a good mechanism of a stable coin, and then the multitude of having different, say, fiat currencies. But I think if we look from our exchange point of view, one big issue, and I think that will be solved in the future, but one big issue is liquidity, because everyone needs to solve, say, anyone providing a payment needs to exchange not just from, say, the core larger blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other ones, but also all the minor coins. And I think the liquidity problem is something that doesn't know a lot of solutions yet, but will probably be a big challenge in the future. And if you can solve that, then you can talk about having a true payment, because there's no difference between using a dollar or Singapore dollar or a pesos or anything else.
Direct crypto payment between two individual digital wallet. That's quite really good for start sending money. But for the payment, structure of blockchain is not really suitable from my perception. So that's why we are creating coin or crypto-based liquidating process. We are not relying on legacy processing service. So we are creating that by ourselves. So direct payment between two individual wallets. So when it comes to the payment service in this case, it's really hard to get refunded from merchant. Even let's say I actually pay for a certain amount of money in coins, but someone as a merchant without any meeting with them, so it's almost impossible to get refunded. So to prevent this kind of situation, I just sorry, financial institution must conduct as a mediatory service. So all the payment companies getting more similar, creating like a platform on-chain or off-chain mixed one. So that kind of things, it can be kind of a future of payment.
Thank you, guys. Personally, I believe payment is the key to reach out to the public. We talked about the technology, we talked about the smart contract, we talked about all different things, but that's for others, for company. For public, if we succeed, people will recognize blockchain and cryptocurrency as a payment. So let's talk about our major question first. So we are all using payment system already with a credit card, with a mobile system, but now, why do you believe that blockchain is necessary for our this payment system?
So 60 minutes. Secondly, 24 hours, 7 days a week.